Alright guys, I took a trade on gold here. After this candle closed, I entered a buy position. As you can see, and I also wanted to tell you the reasons for my entry, so I thought I'd record a video and explain everything to you. We're in an uptrend. Just like you can see, we have a move and a correction, and we had a downward move and a correction, and my correction level has been hit. As soon as the wick touches it, I close my position. I'm scalping here. This is on the 1 minute time frame, and I'm waiting for the wick to fill so I can close my position there. Where did we set our stop loss? I didn't have a stop loss because the trade was really quick, and before it could hit the stop loss, it already started moving up. The first proper stop loss, if we want to enter a trade, right behind this trend line here is where our stop loss would be, and then if it moves up just a bit more, the move starts upward. I'm closing the position and I'll try to record a video for you. For every trade I take, whether I hit the stop loss or not, here I close the position. Whether it goes right or not, I'll explain to you what the entry signals are and what the exit signals are. Here, since we had a lot of rejection and it turned into a shadow, I closed my position because there was strong selling. Here, the price could have reversed. That's why it gave a pretty good profit too. So, our entry point was here and our exit was here. This is filling the momentum leg. Another reason we exited. The momentum leg is almost filled, and now we're going beyond that. The proper way, as I told you in the lessons, is to set your stop loss. Imagine moving your stop loss candle by candle. Move it forward and let it get hit on its own, but since we had a heavy rejection, with this wick, I prefer to take our exit. Now, let it correct and give another entry signal, but here it just gave us a rejection, almost at the same spot. Our stop loss exit would have happened right where we actually exited. We exited as soon as the wick appeared, and our managed exit with the stop loss would have been at the same spot. Pretty much.